In the Carencro Welcome Center beautiful?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
So, it might be fun if we could have a little tour.
Yeah. Oh, we could do that. So this is, Cajun and Creole people. This is how they insulated their homes. And the bousillage is really, really cool. This is my favorite part. But this shows the original house. It was inside of another house, and it was the oldest structure in the city of Carencro, and so it was preserved, moved to this location. I'm excited about it. It's pretty. The city of Carencro purchased some land that was adjacent to where the water tower is, downtown Carencro, and there was some old potato kilns there because the railroad used to pass there, and that's where the potato kilns were. And so when I first got in office, I was like, we got all this stuff in there, these antiques that are in this. So what are we going to do with them? And I'm like, well, let's call Antiques Roadshow. And then they're like, oh, no, 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 they got rules for that. Can't do that. I'm like, oh, okay, let's figure this out. So we actually got the people to come in from LMA and explain us how to do what were the rules. So we learned the rules, and then we actually had our own auction. I have a horse sale company, so I've done this before. So we did a bid deal where people could come in. They came to the community center, and we had all these antiques and then just other things the city needed to be released from. And so we went through auction for all of those things. And this was one of the items that we kept. It was actually one of the original wagon wheels. In front of the police department, if you go there, the new police department, there's 2 plows and an old wagon, which is actually a wagon that they use to move the potatoes around.
Wow.
It's real antiques. It's from...
Potatoes get heavy.
Yeah, potatoes are heavy, but it was in the old potato kiln. So it's really kind of cool. Yeah, so all this stuff is kind of... they're not only historically accurate, but they're historically accurate and from Carencro. Cajun and Creole people were very inventive and very resourceful. So I don't know if you've ever heard the story of Evangeline. Gabriel was really somebody named Louis Arsenault, and so he settled in Carencro, and so a lot of people in Carencro descend from his family. So it's kind of a thing, and so he was one of the settlers of Carencro. How Carencro got its name, actually in the old days, this was not Carencro, this was St. Pierre. And Carencro was a little further off, and then eventually Carencro was the name of the railroad station, and so the community got that name from the railroad station. But my grandfather never said he was going to Carencro. He always said he was going to St. Pierre.
So did you see this project across the finish line? This one here?
Yeah. Yes, but COVID hit.
COVID
and so
hit.
there were a lot of delays and issues with, COVID. So we came in, and there were some things that needed to be completed. So we came in, we got those completed. We brought in the group that did the curation of what's up on the walls and stuff like that. We did that.
Nice.
And the signage and all of that. So we did all of that.
It's super cool.
Yeah.
An interesting place.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a great place. It's a great building.
Thanks, Charlotte.
Thank you.
You're listening to Fueled, a Finstamaker podcast, and I'm your host, Catherine Finstamaker.